Okay, there are common compliances, very important compliances under Rule 9A and 9B. One is to obtain ISIN for each type of securities. The ISIN creation is not company specific, it is security specific. So if you have various classes of securities, categories of securities, you have to obtain ISIN for each type of security. Also, we have to ensure that the payment of fees to the depository is made on time, and there is a requirement to maintain security deposit of not less than 2 years fees with the depository and RTA. In the coming slides, we will also share a schedule of fees, which is currently prevalent. And the law says now that the companies will have to maintain a security deposit for not less than 2 years fees with depository and RTA. And the company has to comply with all applicable regulations or directions issued by depository or SEBI. Now, if a company defaults in payment of fees, or in maintaining the security deposits, or in compliance with the regulations by depository or SEBI, it cannot offer any securities. It cannot go for buybacks. It cannot issue bonus shares or rights issue till the time the compliance or the non-compliance is made good. So either if it is defaulting in making payment of fees, it has to pay the fees, get an NOC from them, from depository and RTA, and then it can go ahead and come out with the issue. Also, the requirement now is to submit PAS 6, which was earlier applicable on public companies and unlisted public companies. Now it's applicable on private limited company also. PAS 6 has to be submitted with MC within 60 days from the conclusion of each half year. PAS 6 is a reconciliation of share capital audit report. It's a half yearly form that needs to be filed with the ROC. Grievances of the security holders. So the IEPF authority has been granted this authority to handle the grievances of security holders. Also, another thing, it is the responsibility of the company, in case there is any difference observed in the issued capital and the capital held in demat form. There are times when reconciliation gets done, there is a difference that is found between the issued capital and the capital held in demat form. It is the responsibility of the company to immediately bring it to the notice of depository so that the same can be corrected with. Also, the provisions of Depository Act of 1996 and SEBI Depository and Participant Regulations of 2018 and SEBI Registrars to the Issue and Share Transfer Agent Regulations. These are 3 important acts and regulations. These provisions shall also apply mutatis mutandis. So they will also be applicable.
Welcome to COMPLINITY Technologies. COMPLINITY is India's leading governance, risk and compliance software helping companies to manage their compliance, contracts, litigation, legal updates, inter-financial controls and more. COMPLINITY is a one-stop shop for all GRC needs. With our proprietary 12 GRC modules and real-time legal updates on 2,000+ laws and 24,000+ compliances, all in an integrated platform that is easy to use with automated alerts and risk management capabilities, is why compliance managers, general counsels and chief financial officers choose COMPLINITY every time. Join the most innovative and prestigious brands that use COMPLINITY. Automating your compliance management. Request a demo at complinity.com.